store it are the ones with the big neck. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Now look how he stores it inside.
Mine?
Look. He's gonna store it. Watch. You don't store it. Look up and watch. Turn, I wanna see you.
Oh boy. Mine.
Mine. Yeah. Oh my God, Beth, this is what we're doing. Where's the other one? He called him off. He said it's mine. Mine. Is this the new one? No.
Same one.
Do you recognize your friend? Calm down, will ya?
Look, he's coming back for more.
Oh, look. No, that's a different one.
And he yelled at him. He's Syrian. He likes pita. And he keeps yelling every time one comes.
At them. And why these? Look at that face. Beth, video that one. Video him. He's like, this is my territory. This is mine. He's telling him to go away. That is so funny. Chasing him. Oh my God, I can't.
Look, they're still fighting.
Look.
Oh, here's another one. Oh, we started. Oh my God, they're coming from all over now from the pita chips. Where's our friend with the colored hair? He's defending everything. Look at him. Oh, he's a bully. This is him. He's the same one coming back now.
Maybe. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring, sir. We don't want to give you any more now. Beth, throw one. Sharing is caring. Well, where's his buds?
There's one over there.
Do they sit?
Birds don't sit.
He doesn't sit like if his legs get tired.
I am the winner.
Look at him chasing him. It's not even, look. Look, they're fighting.
Oh, he lost his pita chip.
Sucker. Where is he?
And then he's mad.
Pissed. The other one is so scared. It won't water.